In this video, we find the correct diagram that represents this. So these are vector lines. The question says a weight hangs in equilibrium from a cable at point X. This is the point X. The tensions in the cable are T1 and T2 as shown. So these are the tensions. Which diagram correctly represents the forces acting at point X? So assuming two persons are pulling this, so these are the cables in this direction, as you can see here. So this is the direction of the pull. You see the direction of the vector, while the weight acts downwards. Assuming an object is here, let's say an object is situated here and is pulled in this direction. Tension exists here at this point, while the weight acts downwards. So how do we represent the vector lines? So of course, to represent this, we form a closed triangle. So we identify the direction of all the forces, which we have done. And the next step is towards to arrange the vectors such that we have a closed triangle. And we add vectors by joining the head of one to the tail of the other. So if you look at this is the diagram we have. Okay, so this one is pointing this way, this is pointing this way, this is pointing this way. So that's what we have done here. So the weight acts downwards. So in the diagram we have something like this. You have tension. This is tension in the two ropes. This is the weight acting downwards. So we represent the weight this way. As it acts downwards, we join vectors head to tail. So you have another one this way. And we now represent this way. So this has formed a closed triangle according to triangle law of forces of vectors, in this case, vectors. So the answer to this question now is A. And what is A? A is this. If you have enjoyed the video, do want to give it a like, share with your learning colleagues. You have a wonderful day.